What I have right here is a portable electric soldering pen tool that was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course this will be my own opinion, experience, hands-on, and eventually use of that. Of course this one is absolutely great because it doesn't bind with the power source when you are working with it. Eventually no wiring required because this one is portable, has a battery inside, and of course a twistable head for you to easily adjust the temperature. Eventually on the LED display you're gonna see how you do that depending on the heat that you need, because if you're doing the circuit board or eventually an electric tool or something you're fixing, or burning some wood in order to craft something on it, or jewelry, you're going to be able to easily adjust the temperature for that. And of course with the stand that you can easily place it when working, and of course with other things in order to make the experience of that super easy. 3 tips eventually in order for you to trigger whatever you are fixing or eventually building or creating as a craft member of a jewelry store or something to craft on wood in order to make a signature. Of course with some pads to easily install for you to easily clean up the tip every time you are performing a work, and of course all the tools that you need in order to do a perfect job eventually, and super easy to use. I'm very satisfied with it because eventually I'm able to easily do everything portable. I don't need to bind with an electric source eventually like I used to do with the old one that I have right here with the wire, which eventually the wire sometimes can be tricky to hold, not really comfortable when doing so, and as you can see the wire is dragging it down. But eventually with a pen like that you're going to be able to easily perform that work, of course to be productive, to work really fast, not necessarily to bind it with that electric source. The only thing you need is just patient, because eventually when doing a work like that you have to be patient in order to bind and connect the wiring. So right now I'm fixing my lightsaber speaker because eventually the wires, after I've been playing with it, disconnected, and now I need to bind and connect it back in order to have sound on my lightsaber. So right now I'm just mounting the speaker back, and then I'm just gonna connect back the source. Right, let me connect the wiring right here properly. So basically what I did the soldering iron toolkit that was sent to me for that evaluation, but believe me I have a lot of use for that, like I did right here with my lightsaber. Now eventually I'm just gonna close it and see if I finally have sound on it. Right, where's the power button? Eventually I need to charge the battery. Alright. But I have sound finally. So basically with the contact that I did, I just bind it and connected the speaker from the lightsaber back in order to have that amazing sound, if you can hear it. Wonderful. But eventually for the different kind of boards, electric use in order to fix different type of tools, this is definitely a great find. Or eventually if you're in jewelry business to create something, because eventually the temperature of that can be easily adjusted for the different type of metals that you are working with, or eventually if you're burning something or wood, your inscription, your signature, you're going to be able to easily do so using different type of tips, because eventually you're going to be able to easily substitute that. Not only that, you'll not have to be afraid of the dark, because eventually it comes with the light. So basically all the details that you do, you're going to be able to easily see, use the tools that comes in the set in order to make a perfect job. So if you guys need an outstanding soldering iron toolkit, this is definitely a recommendation from me.